Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new lesson. This is Hap Beyond Numbers. Having looked at all you see on your screen in our previous lesson, let's quickly look at the calculations with respect towards insurance. So, considering our first question, so the question says a homeowner insures their house for a sum assured of $150,000. Now, if the annual insurance rate is what 0.5%. What is the annual premium? What is the annual premium? So in this first question, we actually want to solve for what? The annual premium. Now with all that we have, let's write our parameters. That is what we've been given in the question down. From the question, we have our sum assured being what? $150,000. You see, and then the rate is 0.5%. 0.5% can be written as the 0.5 over 100. Evaluating further, we can have a 0.005. Now, applying the formula, we know the premium, as you can see on our right hand side. So, premium is equal to your S, that is sum assured, times your rate. So, evaluating, you have your 150,000 times your rate, which is 0.005. You see, so evaluating, you have your 750, and it's as simple as you see. So you say, therefore, the annual premium is what? $750. And what did we do? All we did was to apply the formula with length. Any other thing is just an application of your change of subject, and you are good to go. So for this second question we have here, it says a car worth $40,000 is insured at an annual rate of what? 3%. What is the monthly premium? Take note. What is the monthly premium? So to get the monthly premium, what we actually have to do is we need to calculate the annual premium, after which we divide it by 12 to get the monthly premium, because you know the year is made up of 12 months. So let's look at how we are going to do that. First of all, let's write our parameters we've been given down. So here is what we have. We have our what? Sum assured to be $40,000 and the rate to be a 3%. 3% is 3 over 100. And decimal becomes 0.03. You keep it how you'd be comfortable solving. Okay. So our premium, so we'll say our premium annually is going to be our S times R, which is our 40,000 times the 0.03. Evaluating that gives us a 1,200. This is our annual premium. So if you want your monthly premium, then our monthly premium is then going to be your annual premium. That is your annual premium divided by 12. You see, so it simply means our monthly premium is your 1,200 divided by 12, which gives us $100. You see, so we can say that the monthly premium is $100. Very, very simple. Now you realize that the calculation with respect to insurance is very simple and direct. All you need to do is to understand your formula, know what variable represents what, and what you need to substitute at each and every point in time. For that, we'll be ending this lesson here, and I'll leave some exercises for you to try your hands on. So here you have just 4 questions you can try your hands on. If you had really gone through the first video where we introduce the concept and then the terms, and then also look at the two examples we've solved here. And I don't think this will be of any challenge. Nevertheless, if you have any issue of concern, you can always let me know at the comment section and I'll address that for you. If this is your first time on this channel and you do want to be notified anytime I release a video, you can choose to subscribe if you so do wish. See you in our next lesson, and bye for now. Stay safe.